Goolge Keep and Upnote are both popular note-taking applications. Goolge Keep integrates with other Google apps such as Gmail, as well as Google's entire Office suite. It is also completely free to use. Both apps are available on most major operating systems. Upnote pros include: Upnote offers notebook covers to help with organizing your data and style. Upnote offers a wider variety of export formats compared to Goolge Keep, including HTML, Markdown, basic text, and PDF formats. Overall, Goolge Keep is a good choice for users who want a simple and easy-to-use note-taking application. Upnote is a better choice for users who need a more powerful note editor and more organizational features, such as nested notebooks. Ultimately, the best app will depend on your individual needs. If you like this video and would like to see more videos on note-taking apps and other productivity tools, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.